Virtual reality, VR, fitness is a new and innovative way to engage in physical activity by incorporating immersive and interactive experiences within a virtual environment. With the use of VR headsets and motion tracking technology, users can participate in various virtual activities such as cardio workouts, yoga, dancing, and sports simulations. VR fitness games and programs offer an immersive and engaging way to exercise, making workouts more enjoyable and motivating. VR fitness has gained popularity with the rise of interactive games and programs designed to promote physical activity. Popular VR fitness games like Beat Saber, Supernatural, and Box VR offer immersive workouts through rhythmic movements and high-energy challenges. These games provide an engaging way to combine exercise with entertainment, attracting fitness enthusiasts and gamers alike. VR fitness is revolutionizing traditional workout experiences by incorporating innovative features like immersive environments, interactive challenges, and real-time performance tracking. These elements engage users in a way that traditional fitness activities cannot match, enhancing motivation and enjoyment. In a recent interview, VR fitness experts emphasized the benefits of combining technology and exercise for a more engaging and effective workout experience. They highlighted the potential for VR to revolutionize the fitness industry by providing immersive and interactive workouts that cater to individual preferences and goals. VR fitness has revolutionized the way people approach physical exercise, offering an immersive and engaging way to improve cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and overall fitness levels. VR fitness offers a unique way to improve mental health by providing an immersive and engaging experience that can help reduce stress and anxiety. The interactive nature of VR fitness can also boost mood and motivation, providing a fun and enjoyable way to exercise while also improving mental well-being. When choosing the right VR fitness game or program, consider the intensity level that matches your fitness goals and current physical condition.